Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Right, okay, so I am playing with the Halloween mini kit, which is from ShinySilverTreasures Crafts. I can't remember what I was going to say now. It's gone. Yeah. Gets released on the 1st of August. And you get a lot in for it being a mini kit. So you get this die, and I've already been die cut. I've had a little bit of trouble with my machine. Yeah, it would not cut out. I've ruined this one. It's all ripped and everything. And yeah, I just, for some reason, couldn't cut out properly. I was having a nightmare with it. So I give up, put it away, and I just thought, do you know what? I'm going to try again. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but it worked this time, and that is perfect. It's not ripped. It cut out absolutely brilliantly. I just don't know what I did wrong. So I cut, I die cut 3. I've kept some of the little bits, and I've already put this one together. And yeah, I love it. It's amazing. I've lost some of the bits. I've lost the eyes and the nose from the pumpkins. But yeah, I love it. So I am making a mini card with the Halloween mini kit. I don't think I'm using that one. It's absolutely beautiful. It's from one of the papers that's in the kit. Gorgeous. So I am using a craft card as my base, and it measures 4.5 by 4.5 square. It's an offcut of something that I was using. I can't remember what I was using it on, but yeah, use your scraps. So I'm using it. So I've got this. I don't know whether to matte and layer. Should I matte and layer, or should I just do that? Because I have this, and this is going to go on here, and it goes over the sides. So I don't know whether to matte and layer or just go with that. And I've got my ink, so I can go around the edge of the card with the ink, couldn't I? I could do that, yeah. And I've also got Happy Halloween, which is from Dawn's last Halloween release, which was last year. No, it wasn't a Halloween release, was it? No, it's from Autumn Spice. Yeah, let me have a look. Yeah, it was part of the Festive Treasures release 4, Autumn Spice. So that's where I've got the words from. So it's got like Christmas ones on and Halloween ones on, so that's what I'm using. So before we get started, I haven't got a dobber, so I'm just going to do this. It's probably going to ruin my ink pad, but yeah, that's okay, isn't it? I want it to be grungy, because it's Halloween at the end of the day, isn't it? Well, not at the moment it isn't, but yeah, it will be. There we go, it's a bit grungy. I've got ink all over my hands now. I don't want to get ink on my paper. There we go. Awesome. So I've got my glue. Oh, I've left the lid off. Should be okay. And I'm going to stick it down. There's like a smooth side, and then there's like a matte textured side, and I'm using the textured side. So let's do this. Stick this down. And it's going to have a big border around, which I quite like the big borders. Right, so I've got black on there. So I've got black all over my hands. Get off. Right, okay. So I'm going to stick this down, and I've got some bits in there. So where have I put it? This one, the gold one, the bits out the gold one I'm putting on this one. Yeah, right. This is going to take a while to glue up, so I will let you know all the details of the next release, which is going to be the 1st of August. You've probably already seen my first sneak peek. So she is bringing out another Cutesy Treasures collection, and oh my god, it's absolutely adorable. Yeah, there's a unicorn called Fluffy and a donkey called Douglas, and oh my god, they are so cute. I've loved playing with them. Yeah, I need to put them with the rest of the Cutesy Treasures and you know, make them a family. Right, let's see if we can get this more or less straight. Okay, put way too much glue on there, but it's okay if it looks all grunged up. I'm all right with that. Like the glue, I'm not going to wipe the glue off. I'm just going to leave it on like that. Woohoo! I like that. Right, okay, so I put any glue on there? Yes, I did. I'm going to put glue in the eyes and the mouth of... That's way too much. Oh no, I haven't got any for the eyes of that. Oh, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Right, now to get them the right way around. That one going that one. Do you know, I'm not rightly sure. Sorry if my head gets in the way. Okay, that one goes on that one. And this one. Yeah, there we go. And I have the mouth. Sorry if my head gets in the way. But I just need to make sure I've got that in there. And yeah, I'm not wiping the glue off. I'm just going to leave it. I might wipe the glue off this one a little bit because there's quite a lot of glue there. Right, let me just make it grungy as well, doesn't it? Yeah. Right, I'm going to leave that as is. And I've also got some more bats. This is from the one that didn't quite work. So these are the pumpkins. So I'm going to keep them. Oh, we have that bat. Is it too many bats? And we have a gold one. No, I think that's all right. Right, where is the Halloween going to go? I think across there. And I'm going to put it up on dimension. Right, here we go. I've got my dimension thing. Ooh. Cut this down. This is like a strip or something. Yeah, that'll do. Excuse me. Right, let's peel one side off, stick that on like that. Let's stick these bats down. One. Oh, bit too much glue there. Never mind. And one in the middle. Way too much glue there, wasn't it? Oh dear. Right, okay, that'll do. And now for the sentiment. Get off. There's also a few other things which will be available on the 1st of August, which are new. They'll be new in the shop, so please go check it out. I'm not going to tell you about it. I'm going to keep you in suspense a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm done. That is a lovely Halloween card, isn't it? I like that. It's beautiful. I'm thinking, should I put... Oh, I haven't got one. I can't even pick it up. Would that look okay over there? Just the moon. Yeah, I can always cut another one out, can't I? Because I want to make my daughter a plaque. She loves Halloween. Anything spooky, really. She loves. She really does. Right. And then the moon. I'm going to have it like that. It's just a bit of a creepy moon, isn't it? There we go. Have the shadow of the black there as well. There we go. I am definitely finished now. And there's the one I made off camera. And that is the die. It's an awesome die. It really is. I love, love, love Halloween. But yeah, I'm going to go. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.